Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on USDJPY. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, USDJPY has been overall bullish from a long-term perspective, trading inside this rising channel, and we previously rejected the upper band, which is also an idea I've posted a couple of months ago. Rejected the upper trend line and this resistance zone, and then we rejected this demand zone, previously a resistance, turned support. If we zoom into daily time frame, we can see that after rejecting this support zone, we have been bullish, trading inside this medium-term channel, as we can see in blue. Inside it, we've got a shorter-term rising broadening wedge, as you can see in orange, and it's currently approaching the upper bound of both channel and wedge pattern. That's why I consider this area as an overbought zone, just like we did, if you remember, on monthly time frame. If you zoom back to daily, we can see that we also have this supply zone as we had an aggressive movement there, but I didn't draw it to keep the chart clean. Also lining up with this previous major low. That's why we'll be speculating a bearish movement from here. Of course, knowing that USDJPY can trade a little bit higher, dive inside the zone before trading lower. On the other hand, as we retest these previous highs, and here we go with the lower trend line in orange, we'll be looking for trend following buy setups. But for now, let's take it step by step. Approaching this resistance, let's zoom into lower time frames and look for buy setups. Previously, the boost took over, and then we had this continuation pattern, and we are trading higher. But as mentioned, as we approach this area, we'll be looking for sell setups. If you zoom into H1 time frame, previously we have been trading in an aggressive manner. The USDJPY has been pushing higher, making big impulse movements, bigger correction, bigger impulse, and so on, right? And we are currently around the upper band. I'm speculating a correction just like here and here as well, and we'll be speculating a bigger correction because it's trading inside a rising broadening wedge. However, for the bear to take over, we need to see a break below the previous major low, which is right there. Just like previously, bears took over for a correction started, and that's it. We are following the same logic, and for the bears to take over, as I already mentioned, we need to see this break, which I usually highlight as our trigger. And when this happens, the sell will be activated and the short position can be entered, the stop loss above the previous high, and we target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio at least to have an edge over the market from a risk management perspective. For now, and until the bears take over, until the sell is activated, USDJPY would be bullish, and also inside this short-term impulse, and can still trade higher and higher before forming a new reversal bearish setup and activated to trade lower. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.